Alright, so hey, today's a little bit different day. We're going to be jumping back on splitting all this cherry here we loaded up the other day. We had a pretty good snowfall the other night, which was fantastic, but I'll tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, I'm ready for the spring. Got the neighbors, they've actually got the Amish out, and they are doing a little work on cutting some trees and getting some sawmill timbers ready for them. You can see kind of drop some trees and then drop some other trees back here, so just making sure everything goes to good use. We'll be getting some of the firewood from that. Hopefully they leave us some nice chunks. Yeah, so try to get some good angles on the processor today, the Japa 365 basic, and just have a little fun, enjoy this nice weather. Okay, so sometimes you'll run into crazy things like the biggest part of running a wood processor is having wood that's prepared. It's got to be ready to go for the processor. And what I mean by that is the straighter the better, less limbs, less knots, and none of these wild bows. It just won't fit through. We might have got away with it if the far straighter end was fed in first, and then it would have fed in and got the curve right to about here. And at that point in time, we might have had enough wiggle room that we could have got it through this opening. But seeing as it's flipped over opposite, we're gonna have to cut this for sure. Now we should be good to go. That log will flatten out. We'll just roll that one like that. She'll fit right through. And you space the logs. I have 16 or an 18-inch bar on there, but the actual chain to the teeth 16 inches, so that's 3 lengths. Hold up, got a wild one. Up here, these may be burls in the wood, maybe not. You just try to keep an eye out for those before you see them in the processor. Sometimes those are worth a little bit more to woodworkers and they can destroy anything. So whenever I'm talking about prepping your logs before you put them on the log rack, I'm talking about pieces that stick off like this. I'm talking about bigger pieces of kind of knotty stuff that your splitter, you know, is going to have trouble with. So here we go.